These natural-born mountaineers make it look like a walk in the park. Salt pouring from its wall. Ibex risk everything to reach it. But imagine what it's like for a kid. He has no choice but to follow his mother. But step by step, he discovers he has an amazing grip, locking them inside the hard edge of the hoof. Every step on a knife edge. It's exhausting work for one so young. Just in time, his mother notices. A 5-minute power nap. "150 feet up. Finally, he reaches his goal. 20% of concrete contains salt, and water seeping through the dam brings it to the surface. It may not look like much, but this mineral lick is crucial for the kid to grow up strong. Death-defying missions like this are a vital part of many animals' lives.